Hello, my name is Esteban Ceballos, Senior StudentLink Counselor at StudentLink Center at NYU. Welcome to our video series on how financial aid works. During the month of April, I will be providing you with guidance on all things financial aid. Throughout these videos, there will also be short quizzes. I will encourage you to try them as they will enhance your learning experience. Let's talk about Federal Work Study. Federal Work Study is a program that allows eligible undergraduate and graduate students to earn money for educational expenses. The program encourages community service work and work related to the student's course of study. At NYU, the funds are earned and provided in the form of a paycheck based on hours worked. It is important to note that it is aid that is not directly added to the student's bill. Here's a quick overview of the Federal Work Study. First, the FAFSA is required in order to determine the Federal Work Study eligibility. It's available to undergraduate students with demonstrated financial need based on their FAFSA application. It provides part-time employment while you are enrolled in school at least half-time, which at NYU is 6 credits for undergraduate students and 4.5 credits for graduate students. It is administered by schools participating in Federal Work Study program. If you are hired for Federal Work Study position, you earn at least the current federal minimum wage. However, you may make more depending on the type of work you do and the position skills. Your total work study award depends on when you apply, your level of financial need, and your college or university's funding level. If you're interested in getting a Federal Work Study job while enrolled in college or career school, make sure you file the FAFSA early, since funds may be limited. NYU participates in the Federal Work Study program. Though jobs are not guaranteed, if you're eligible, we recommend you apply as soon as you are able. The Wasserman Center at NYU is an excellent resource for finding on-campus work-study employment. You can contact them at career.development@nyu.edu or on the NYU website at nyu.edu. If you apply for financial aid, you may be offered loans as part of your school's financial aid offer. A loan is money you borrow and must pay back with interest. If you decide to take out the loan, make sure you understand who is making the loan and the loan's terms and conditions. Student loans can come from the federal government, from private sources such as banks or financial institutions, or other organizations. The federal government's loans are called federal student loans. They may have more benefits than loans from banks or other private sources, so be sure you do your due diligence when deciding whether you will pursue a student loan. The U.S. Department of Education's federal student loan program is called the William D. Ford Federal Direct Loan Program. Under this program, the U.S. Department of Education is your lender. There are 4 types of direct loans available. The first one is the direct subsidized loan. This loan is made to eligible undergraduate students who demonstrate financial need to help cover higher education costs at a college or career school. Next, direct unsubsidized loans are loans made eligible to undergraduate, graduate, and professional students, but eligibility is not based on financial need. Next is the direct plus loans. These are loans made to graduate or professional students and parents of dependent undergraduate students to help pay for education expenses not covered by other financial aid. Eligibility is not based on financial need, but a credit check is required. Borrowers who have adverse credit history may meet additional requirements to qualify. Direct consolidation loans allow you to combine all eligible federal student loans into a single loan with a single loan servicer. Federal student loans offer many benefits compared to other options you may consider when paying for college. The interest rate on the federal student loans is fixed and usually lower than that on private loans and much lower than that on credit cards. You don't need a credit check or a cosigner for most federal student loans. You don't have to begin repaying your federal student loan until after you leave college or drop below half-time, though the unsubsidized and plus loans do accrue interest while you're enrolled. If you demonstrate financial need, the government pays the interest on some loan types while you're in school and during some periods after school. Federal student loans offer flexible repayment plans and options to postpone your loan payments if you are having trouble making payments. If you work in certain jobs, you may be eligible to have a portion of your federal student loan forgiven if you meet certain conditions. Remember, you can borrow less than your school offers and can request more loans funds later if you need to. You should borrow only what you need. Before you take out a loan, it's essential to understand that a loan is a legal obligation that makes you responsible for repaying the amount you borrow with interest. Even though you don't have to begin repaying your federal student loans right away, you shouldn't wait to understand your responsibilities as a borrower. Thank you for watching. For more information on this and other financial aid related questions, please visit our website at nyu.edu/StudentLink or email us at studentlink@nyu.edu.